If you're starting, then just come back to your position and do it slowly again. Okay, we'll start. We'll start with rotating our neck right to left slowly. Breathe in as you go up. Breathe out as you come down. Breathe in as you go up. Breathe out, come down. Breathe in up. Breathe out, down. Now left to right. Breathe in up. Breathe out, down. Breathe in up. Breathe out, down. Breathe in up. Breathe out, down. One more time, up and down. Shoulders back. Make a big circle slowly. Forward. Arms forward. Bicep touching your ears. Backward. Okay, hands on your shoulder, forward first. Backward. Okay, elbows up and down. Rotate your elbows in one direction. Change direction. Wrists in one direction. Change direction. Your fingers. Okay, now hands on your waist. Keep your feet shoulder width apart. Feet and head still. And pivot your waist. Make a big circle clockwise. Anti-clockwise. Okay, hands on your knees. Keep your feet together and still, and clockwise rotate. You'll hear the bone crackling noise. We are trying to release all the air between our joints. Anti-clockwise. Okay, now open, close, open, close, open, open, close. Other way around, outside in. Okay, your ankles, lift your right leg, rotate your ankles, change direction, up, down, sideways, change leg, left ankle, rotate, change direction, up, down, sideways. Let's shake your body and start jogging slowly, slowly, slowly. Arm movements, leg movements. Breathe in, breathe out through your nose. Keep jogging slowly. Increase the speed. High knees. Heels back. Normal jogging again. Breathe in, breathe out through your nose. Alternate arms and legs. Side twister. Keep jumping. Return forward skipping. Backward skipping. Jumping, star jump. Jumping, slow down and stop. Check your legs, your calf muscles, loosen them up. We'll do Swaswayam, breathing. So feet together, palms on your side. Deep breathe in. Breathe out, go down. Breathe in, come up, arms up. On your toe, hold, breathe out. One more time, deep breathe in. Breathe out, down. Breathe in, come up, arms up. On your toe, hold, breathe out. Okay, we'll do continuous movement. We'll do front one. So we have to keep jumping. Left 16 time, right 16 time, both 16 time, and up 16 times. And then combination of all 4. Okay. After each section, there is 1, 2, 3, 4. You can count that. That's a break. Continuous movement, part 2, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Left, right, both up. Left, right, both up. Breathe in, breathe out. Just have your hands together, arms up, breathe in. Down, breathe out. Up, breathe in. Down, breathe out. One more time, up, breathe in. Down, breathe out. Next two breaths. First one is wood chopper. So just spread your legs, shoulder width apart. Pretend like holding axe. Arms up, deep breathe into your nose and down, exhale through your mouth. 10 to 12 times. Start. Try to cut the wood. Just hold your breath for some time. Next one, you can be standing up, it's okay. I'm sitting down for you to see me. So hand, fist on your side, arms up, fist open, breathe in, down, close, breathe out all through your nose now. 10 to 12 times, start. When you're done, just hold your breath for some time. Relax. We have supplied lots of oxygen to the blood, so we can, feel the vacuum. Now that our body is nicely warmed up inside and outside, we'll do some dynamic stretches. We'll start again with neck. So breathe in, neck up. Breathe out, down. Breathe in, up. Breathe out, down. You can feel your neck is nicely warmed up. So that's when you do the stretching. Left, front, right, front, tilt to left, ear to shoulder, hold, front, right, ear to shoulder. Okay, right arm across and pull towards your body, left arm across, And pull. Right arm up, push from elbow, and left hand hold it back. Change, left arm up, push. Try to hold from right. We'll do sideways 8 times, 4 for both sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll go back twist. So deep breathe in to your right, hold your hips and breathe out. Breathe in front, left, front, right, front, left, front, right, front, left. Okay. Spread your legs, shoulder roughly the length of your feet from waist to the toe, that much distance between your heels. Right hand touching left ankle, left hand up. Similarly opposite. 8 times. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, go sideways on your right. Stretch your calf muscles and hamstring. Go on to other side. Stretch. Okay, touch the floor in front of you, then middle, then back, between your leg. Stretch nicely your calf muscles, hamstring. Go on to left side. Try to put your forehead on your left knee. Stretch. Keep the knee straight. Stretch. In the middle again. Now to right side. Hold your right leg and forehead on right knee. Stretch. Stretch. Come in the middle. Breathe out. Now breathe in and go back up. All the way back. Okay. Now lift up your right leg close to your chest, to your side, and then back. Hold your big toe, your knees together. Change left leg up, then sideways, then back, knees together. Last bit. Right leg in front, bend your back leg, hold your big toe, stretch your calf, hamstring, touch the floor and sweep the floor with your hands. Get it a bit further forward. Hands on the floor, forehead on your front knee, stretch. Breathing up, left leg in front, stretch, hold your big toe, forehead on front knee, and sweep the floor. Get your left leg further forward, touch the floor and forehead on front knee. Relax. Just keep breathing in, breathing out. All our stretches, warm-ups and everything is done. Now we'll do the Surya Namaskar, sun salutation. So for that I'll play the music. I'll say the slok. You can say that in your mind. So everybody in Arama like this. Surya Namaskar Sthiti. Join your heels, then toes and Namaskar. Your thumbs into your solar plex, wrist parallel to the floor. Dheya sada savitru madhyavarti Narayana Sarasija Sanasannivishta Keyuravan Makarakundalavan Kiriti Hari Hiranmaya Vapurdhuta Shanka Chakraha. I'll adjust the camera mainly for down. Om Mitraya Namaha. Now breathe in, egg, go up, look up towards your palm. Breathe out, down. Keep your knees straight, hands on side of your legs. Left leg back, breathe in. Right leg back, breathe out. Hold your breath, forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Hips up, breathe in, up, cobra. Breathe out, downward dog. Entire feet touching the floor. Left leg in front, breathe in. Look up, your lower back, push it forward. Right knee touching the floor. Breathe out, the forward fold. Breathe in, back to Namaskar Asana. Om Ravaye Namaha. Breathe in up, breathe out down. Now right leg will go back, left leg back, breathe out. Keep a straight line, no hump. Hold your breath, forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in, cobra. Breathe out, downward dog. Right leg in front, breathe in. Left leg in front, breathe out. Breathe in, back to Namaskar Asana. Om Suryaya Namaha. Take, breathe in, breathe out, do. Left leg back, breathe in. Right leg back, breathe out. Hold your breath, forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in, cobra. Breathe out, downward dog. Left leg in front, breathe in. Right leg in front, breathe out. Breathe in, back to Namaskar Asana. Om Bhanave Namaha. Breathe in up, breathe out down, knee straight, right leg back, breathe in, left leg back, breathe out. Hold your breath, forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in, cobra. Breathe out, downward dog. Breathe in, right leg in front. Breathe out, left leg in front. Breathe in, back to Namaskar Asana. Om Khagaya Namaha. Breathe in, Urdhvasan. Breathe out, Utthanasan. Breathe in, Ekapada Prasannasan. Breathe out, Chaturanga Dandasan. Hold your breath, Ashtanga Namaskarasan. Breathe in, Bhujangasan. Breathe out, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Breathe in, Ekpada Prasannasan. Breathe out, Padahastasana. Breathe in, Namaskarasan. Om Khagaya Namaha. Breathe in up. Breathe out down. Right leg back. Breathe in. Left leg back. Breathe out. Hold your breath. Forehead chest. Breathe in up. Breathe out. Downward dog. Breathe in. Right leg in front. Breathe out. Left leg in front. Breathe in. Back to Namaskar Asana. Om Pushne Namaha. Ek up. Do down. Chin left leg back. Char right leg back. Hold your breath. Forehead chest knee touching the floor. Breathe in up. Breathe out. Downward dog. Left leg in front. Breathe in. Right leg in front. Breathe out. Breathe in. Back to Namaskar Asana. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Breathe in up. Breathe out down. Right leg back. Breathe in. Left leg back. Breathe out. Hold your breath. Forehead chest knee touching the floor. Breathe in up. Breathe out. Downward dog. Right leg in front. Breathe in. Left leg in front. Breathe out. Breathe in. Namaskar Asana. Om Marichaye Namaha. Breathe in up. Breathe out down. Left leg back. Breathe in. Right leg back. Breathe out. Hold your breath. Breathe in. Cobra. Breathe out. Downward dog. Left leg in front. Breathe in. Right leg in front. Breathe out. Breathe in. Back to Namaskar Asana. Om Adityaya Namaha. Breathe in up. Breathe out down. Breathe in. Breathe out. Hold your breath. Breathe in up. Breathe out. Downward dog. Breathe in. Breathe out left leg. And breathe in. Om Savitre Namaha. Breathe in up. Breathe out down. Right leg back. Breathe in. Left leg back. Breathe out. Hold your breath. Breathe in. Cobra. Breathe out. Downward dog. Right leg in front. Breathe in. Left leg in front. Breathe out. Breathe in. Back to Namaskar Asana. Om Arkaya Namaha. एक, दो, तीन, चार, पाँच, छः, सात, आठ, नौ, 10. Om Bhaskaraya Namaha. Breathe in up. Breathe out down. Right leg back. Breathe in. Left leg back. Breathe out. Hold your breath. Forehead, chest, knee touching the floor. Breathe in up. Breathe out. Downward dog. Right leg in front. Breathe in. Left leg in front. Breathe out. Breathe in. 13th one. Om Shri Savitru Surya Narayanaya Namaha. Breathe in up. Breathe out down. Left leg back. Breathe in. Right leg back. Breathe out. Hold your breath. Breathe in Cobra. Breathe out Downward Dog. Left leg in front. Breathe in. Right leg in front. Breathe out. Breathe in. Just relax for 30 seconds. We will do now one video, rest of the ones. Just keep breathing in, breathing out. Relax. Get some energy back. We'll stop at 24 after this. So this is 13th one when they stand up, and then we'll start from right leg. Okay. Everybody get ready. Breathe in. Breathe out. Right leg back. Left leg back. Hold. Breathe in. Breathe out. Right leg. Left leg. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Left leg. Breathe out. Hold. Breathe in. Breathe out. Left leg. Right leg. Breathe in. Breathe out. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. 24th one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just relax for 30 seconds. Keep breathing in, breathing out.
And how many we already did?
24. We did 24 so far. If you follow the 13 when I did,
Yeah.
and then remaining 11 we did with the video. So yeah, on 30th you will get the number. So we'll try to see, we'll do 36 and then stop for Surya Namaskar. Okay, get ready. And then I'll start the video. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9. Let's breathe out. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Hold. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Hold. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Hold. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in. 6 more. 8, go. 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Start. 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Inhale. Exhale. Left leg, right leg. Hold. Inhale. Exhale. Left leg, right leg. Inhale. Exhale. 36 one. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Hold. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Stop. So 36. Relax. We'll just break for 30 seconds. We'll do the standing ones today. We'll try to do the chair pose sequence, different Utkatasana. So just get ready for standing pose. Keep breathing in, breathing out. Okay, so we'll just do the basic chair pose to start with. It's a Utkatasana. So hands parallel to the floor, then up, you can join, and then bend forward, bend down 90 degree roughly between your calf muscle, shin, and then thighs. Hands up, joined as well or sideways, whichever you want. This is a basic Utkatasana. Slowly stand up, release. We'll be doing sequence. That means we'll stay longer in that pose. So if it's hurting, you can always stand and come back into position. Okay, but just do it slowly. So we'll start with normal one again. Hands parallel to the floor, up, join, and then go down, down. This is the pose. We'll stay here for three count. 3, 2, 1. Slowly namaskar in front, like this. Okay, now next one is you bend on left side, right side, whichever side you want. Just your elbow onto the knee of the other leg. So I'm doing on right side. Now slowly take your left hand down and right hand up. Stay here. Now here, take it the hand down and left leg back. The leg which is on other side and look up. 3, 2, 1. Slowly get the leg back up, back to the last pose. Then namaskar. Stay here. In front. Hands up and stand up and just relax. So we try to do more in one pose to get more benefit. I will change so that if I'm doing other side, it's visible. Keep breathing out, breathing into your nose. Okay, again, hands parallel to the floor. Up, join, come down. Stay here. 3, 2, 1. Namaste in front. 3, 2, 1. Bend onto left side now. Right elbow onto left knee. 3, 2, 1. Right hand down, left hand up on the floor if you can. 3, 2, 1. Right leg back. 3, 2, 1. Come back. Namaskar. Back to front. Hands up and slowly stand up. Relax. You feel more stretch onto those muscles. Just relax. Come in Samasthiti. Palms facing in front. Deep breathe in, breathe out. Okay, next one is half chair pose. We'll try to do simple one to begin with. So right leg onto your left knee in front. Bend forward, hold if you want. And namaskar. This is Ardha Utkatasana. Stay here for longer. If you can, try to bend on other side. It's difficult, but balance mainly, and then bend onto left side. Then come back, and we'll do other side now. Left side, left leg onto right. Bend. Stay here for 3 count. 3, 2, 1, and then bend onto right side. Do as much as you can. Back up. Stay here and then back up. Relax. So this chair pose is very good for our glute muscles or thighs or calf muscles as well. Just do breathe in, breathe out. Okay, we'll now sit down. Just come in the Vajrasana on your kneeling down position. We'll do child pose. So deep breathe in, breathe out. Okay, you can spread your knees a bit. Breathe in now and breathe out and go down slowly. No stretch, nothing. Forehead on your front, on the floor, hands on your side. You are not stretching anything. Just getting back all your energy. You can keep your hands back close to your heels. Breathe in, breathe out. Slowly come up. We'll do one more restorative pose, happy child pose. Anand Balasan. So lie down on your back. It will relax your back as well. Once you are lying down nicely, entire back touching the floor, lift up your feet, legs, hold your feet from bottom, your sole, and your thighs parallel to the floor, shoulder, knees close to your shoulder, and your toes in your eyesight in front of you. Keep looking towards them, towards the ceiling. Keep smiling. The pose name is Ananda Balasan, Happy Child Pose. So just keep smiling. This is also a restorative pose, recovery pose. Between your strenuous yoga, you can always do these two pose, get back the energy and then continue. And also it works slowly on your muscles, stretch them, relaxes them. Okay, slowly, your feet down. Just lie down completely, entire feet on the floor, palms. Just relax. We'll do just 1 minute Shavasana, corpse pose. Just breathe in, breathe out. Relax your entire body. Just concentrate on the rhythmic breathing. You can inflate your tummy and deflate like balloon when you're breathing in. Do not apply any stretch, anything. Just relax. Just concentrate on your breath. Your entire body is relaxed nicely. Keep your mind always with you, and concentrating on your breath. Now slowly take your right hand up on your right side, left hand onto your chest, onto your heart. Go sideways on right side, recovery position. Knees bent, the left knee. Stay here for 10 seconds. Now with the support of your hands, lift up your body slowly, gently. Do not flick, do not rush. You can keep your eyes closed. Back straight, neck straight, head straight. And then hands on your knees with the mudra, Jnana Mudra, index finger forcing onto your thumb. We'll start with Pranav, deep breathe in, deep breathe out, 5 seconds, inhale, exhale for 30 seconds. I'll play music for that. So start. Okay, next one is Udgit. Udgit is chanting of the Omkar. So all three syllables, U and Ma. We'll do 3 times. So deep breathe in. Deep breathe in. Last time. Normal breathe in, breathe out. Next one, we will do Kapalbhati. Kapalbhati is deep breathe in to begin with, and then exhale continuously through your nose, 1 per second. Health warning, if you have blood pressure or anything heart related problem, then you have to inhale as well when you exhale. And then pregnant ladies or period, avoid it. We'll do roughly 1 minute. So deep breathe in. You inhale as well automatically, so keep that. Only thing moving is your tummy. No part of the body should be moving. When you're done, just normal breathe in, breathe out. Next one, we'll do Anulom Vilom. Anulom Vilom is alternate nostril breaths, Nadi Shuddhi. So make a Vayu Mudra, index finger force onto your thumb. With right thumb, close your right nostril, breathe in from your left. Then close your left nostril, open right, breathe out from right. Breathe in from right. Close right, open left, breathe out. We'll do 2 more time at our own pace. Start. Okay, relax. Now we'll do Agni Sar Kriya. So you deep breathe in for 5 seconds, breathe out for 5 seconds, then hold and then churn your tummy. So move your tummy up and down. Then breathe in again. Back to normal. Now deep breathe in again. Breathe out. Then lock, neck down and churn your tummy. Your muscles of the tummy, your abs. Try to move. We'll do one more time. Breathe in up. Breathe out. Then deep breathe in. Breathe out. Lock. And then churn your tummy. Breathe in up. Last one is Brahmari, the humming sound, where we'll chant Omkar, but our mouth closed, our tongue still. We end up doing mm. So close your ears, your eyes, and your mouth. Breathe in from your nose. We'll do 3 times. Mm. Breathe in. Mm. Last time, deep breathe in. Mm. Slowly hands down on your knees, relax, back straight, neck straight. Normal breathe in, breathe out. I'll be saying the Vishwa Prathana prayer for all, first in Sanskrit. Just say it in your mind after me. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinaha Sarve Santu Niramaya Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kashit दुःख भाग भवेत्। Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Prayer for all. May all become happy. May all be free from illness. May all see what is auspicious. May no one suffer. Let there be peace everywhere. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Raise your hand. Brush your palms. Make them warm. Keep brushing. Keep brushing. When they are warm enough, make a cup onto your face, onto your eyes, transfer all the energy onto your face. Then massage gently your eyes with your fingers, then your forehead, massage your forehead, then side of the forehead just above your ear and back of the neck, and open your eyes slowly. And namaste, dhanyavad.
Namaste.
Stop.
Thank you.
Namaste. So
Thank
because
you,
it's
Ajay.
Thank you, Ajay.